Good day and welcome to Google Slides mini tutorials. In our previous tutorial, I went ahead and showed you how to order, align, center, rotate, and distribute and group your objects. Today I'm just going to show you two options that Google Slides have available. To be honest with you, unless it's my vision or something I'm doing wrong, I'm not seeing what I should be seeing in one of the two options. So let me go ahead and show you what I mean. So the option that's by default is to align uh, objects automatically based on uh, where they sit in relation to other ones. So for example, if I wanted to align it to the top of this arrow, I can move it here and you see the little red line that appears. Same as if I move it here or anywhere else, you see the red lines appear so that I can align it with other options that are other objects that are in my slide. Now the other option that you have is you can go up to uh, view and down to snap to, and right now it's selected to snap to grids, which is, or sorry, guides, my mistake, which is currently how it's set up, so it'll snap to the guides, but you can change this to snap to grid. Now Google says that this will snap to an invisible grid that is on your slide. So you can imagine that your slide is separated into a grid with vertical and horizontal lines, much like it would be in Photoshop, where you can select your piece, move it, and it snaps to those individual grids, so that you can put a piece here and then down here you can snap this one to the same grid, and then it's all in line. So you're supposed to be able to move it around and snap it to an imaginary grid that you don't see. That's what it says in the Google Help. However, as you can see here, I have view snap to grid selected, and I can drag. But when I drag, like I see it moving, but I don't see any indication that it's snapping to any individual grid. If I put the item here, for example, and then try to snap this to the same grid, I'm not seeing it. I do see like it's a bit choppy, but I feel that's just the way it's moving with the mouse. I don't believe that this has anything to do with a grid and behind. So as you can see here, I'm not seeing this grid that Google says is there when I choose that option under the view and snap to grid. So if you know how to do this and it is something that I'm missing, go ahead and let me know and I'll create a new video. But to be honest with you, I'm not seeing it. So by default, it's selected to guides. If for some reason it gets selected to grid and you're trying to figure out how to change it back, then that's where you go. You go into view, snap to, and change it to guide. Oops. Guides, and then you will go back and you can snap it again to guides. So I know it's not the answer to how to snap it to grids if that's what you were searching for, but that's where you're supposed to be able to go according to Google. I just don't see it to be working. So that's the video for today. Please comment below if you have any questions or if you know how to do something that I'm missing in this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.